Tired of your cold emails landing in spam, burning domains, and draining your budget? We understand your frustration. We've seen it happen before. Well, your search ends here. What if we told you your emails could reliably land in both Outlook and Google every single day? How many more meetings could you book? How much more money would you make? Say hi to AeroSend, the world's first self-optimizing email infrastructure, built to adapt in real time and land directly in the inbox. And it integrates easily with the tools you're already using. Think of it as your complete email infrastructure team. We monitor, optimize, and protect everything behind the scenes, so you can just focus on your message and your prospects. With AeroSend, you get dedicated IPs, aged and trusted from day one. Isolated servers, so your reputation is not affected by other users. Premium Warmup that keeps inboxes healthy for the long haul. And a domain burn alert system, so you get a notification before meetings suffer. We protect what others ignore. Back-end infrastructure. We don't just warm up inboxes and IPs. AeroSend monitors domain health, bounce rates, and ESP behavior across 6 warm-up networks. If a pool degrades, we reroute before deliverability drops. AeroSend utilizes dynamic IP rotation, ensuring your emails always take the highest performing route. Other platforms rely on one provider, one failing server, one point of failure. When that goes down, your entire campaign suffers. You might have purchased inboxes in the past, but you've never purchased a complete infrastructure like this. No bans, no blocks, unlimited scale, unmatched deliverability. Our top users see 2.5 times more replies without changing their copy. Try AeroSend free for 14 days. If you are unsatisfied, we'll refund you. No questions asked, no spam, no risk, just better deliverability.